Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm James.
Cameraman's back. All right.
This is my Jam. He misses 2 videos. He just can't wait to get back.
I just wanted to let my fans know.
Yes, I know they missed you, I'm sure.
Clearly.
Yeah. So I'm super excited today. Well, I'm excited pretty much anytime it seems like I film, but I have a collaboration today. I believe now, I hope I get everybody right here. They'll all be linked in the description box down below, their videos. A collaboration with Ed from Ed Braun, Kanisha, Marie from Marie Loves Luxuries, Marie Louise Loves Luxuries, Winnie from Winnie BLV, and Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture. I think I got everybody there. So we're all showing what we picked up in New York. So I'm excited about this. Cameraman hasn't seen these items either, so I'm super excited for him to see them, even though he's probably not nearly as excited as I am. As you can see, I picked up some stuff from Dior. Few things. See one thing, and then she wouldn't stop showing me stuff. I almost bought a bag, but I didn't. But I bought some other fun things.
Yeah, she had you on the line, so
This
she
to
was
open.
figuring. I got her on one thing, let's get her on several.
And this to open.
Uh-huh.
And this to open. And that's it.
Oh, that's it.
This is a napkin that I took from the restaurant that we went to, because they had water on the floor and my bag was dripping, and it's all Lisa's fault because she said to take it.
I see the hole in the bag.
Put it in there. So, okay, so let's start with the smallest first, and this is probably the least exciting to everybody but me. So, I'm not going to ask if you have any guesses because I just want to show you. So,
What's in the box?
I know, I'm super excited, like I said, because now I've been home over a week and I haven't been able to show cameraman these or anybody else like you guys. So here we go. Here's number 1. Oh, I'm so excited.
She wasn't this excited when I got home.
I was so
Whatever.
pretty close.
No.
So, as you might have guessed, it's jewelry. And I just saw this and I thought it was so pretty. After I finally got done looking at bags and looking at SLG, she goes, let's look at the jewelry. And I'm like, okay. And so I'll just kind of slide it on there. But this is their little, it's a rose gold, and then it just says CD around it. And I just thought it was really pretty. And so I got it. So I got the little CD ring.
So it's like an alphabet one. They sell one as an AB, then a CD, then an EF.
No, it's Christian Dior.
Oh.
CD.
Okay.
So it's pretty. I could probably take off my other ring and just show you what it looks like without it. So that's how she looks. It's pretty.
Fancy.
Isn't that neat? I got my Hermes ring, my Dior ring. Now I need to get a Chanel ring. I don't know if I'll get an LV ring, but Chanel's got those really pretty rings. Let's see. We'll go with this one next.
SLG.
It's shoes. Oh wait, no, this can't be shoes. I'm trying to figure out which one.
Shoes for Barbie.
Right? So we got pretty packaging, and they even put it on a pillow. Like, oh, it's sitting so nice.
So it was tired.
Right. Oh, this is not the one I was thinking it was.
Uh-oh. They switched it out on you?
No.
Oh. Did you open on an order?
This is, kind of, yeah. This is what brought me into the store. This is what got me. I'm peeking around. So I'm in Saks Fifth Avenue. And I'm peeking around the store because they had a Dior, like I think I said that, Dior, Prada, Saks Fifth Avenue, Dior, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, Celine, Loewe, all in more, and then some contemporary brands too.
Under Armour?
Probably on some floor.
Oh, okay.
So I'm looking around and I spy this.
Were you playing I Spy?
And no, and I really would have liked a bag in this, but I just wasn't going to pay the money. And I'm a little miffed at Dior for the whole thing that just came out about them, but that's neither here nor there. In this, I'm sure that all the brands do some of the same stuff. So, but I wanted some piece of this, and so I'm just kind of peeking, and up from behind comes a salesperson, and she goes, "Can I help you? You look like you're trying to look at something." And I work for the store, not for Dior, but I can go into all the places and help you with the items. And I see you come by. I've seen you come by, and I seen you kind of look. And why don't we go in there and see if they have what it is you might be looking for? So we went in there, and they did. I got this wallet. Just look at the color. So I do already have one like this. It's so pretty. It's got the little keychain on there. And then this just opens up, and it's got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, 7 card slots technically, because you could put one back there. It's got the little zipper container there. And then it opens up with like a silky interior where you can put your dollars. So we know I love this color. We know I love this color. Anything that's even anywhere remotely close to a Louis Vuitton, a Tiffany. You can tell I just went on a long drive today, and I'm just.
Is that Tiffany or aqua?
It's not exactly Tiffany blue. It's like an aqua, or teal. I love this shade. I love how it feels. You know, I'm a big toucher, so
more tactile.
Yeah. So as soon as she showed it, I was like, "Oh yeah, I'll take that." And then while she's showing that and she's wrapping it up, I happen to notice.
You got to get you those horse blinders so you can't keep looking when you're finding.
And now, in my recollection, this is smaller than that, so I'm not quite sure why we're in here, but
Why we're in here? We're filming.
Yeah, but I mean, like, why this is in this box?
Why there's the size of the item.
Yeah, look at this.
She wanted just to give you a big box.
We wanted big presentation again. She wanted to make sure I saw the pillows that they did in there. This is super cool. You guys, if you know me at all, are going to know why I liked this. I love this as an SLG as it is. I had no idea that Dior made them like they are, and certainly not in denim. I got
so without further ado,
this Dior key pouch in denim.
So is the D for denim?
The D's for denim. Yeah, that's what I had it made special.
Wow, that's a lot of monograms.
Yeah. So you just open it up, and there's just a nice little inside.
A nice little inside?
Yeah, it says Dior like right in there. And the interior is like like a kind of almost like a silkiness. It's definitely not a nylon-y feeling. It's definitely not canvas. And it's got the beautiful chain there. It just zips up, and so as we know, we'll just bring it out here. Your girl likes key pouches. And I had no idea that Dior did anything like this. As you can see, if we look at my collection here, I don't have any denim. And I've looked at the denim ones that come up on the pre-love market for Louis Vuitton. The new one, I'm just not paying that amount of money for it. The one that you could get now, I don't even know if it's available anymore, that they just came out, the reissue. I'm not paying as much for, well, although I don't remember how much I paid for this. But I just didn't want to pay that ever.
Give her amnesia.
And then on the pre-love market, too, they're ridiculous. So this one's really well made, too. It's made, I don't know how their other denim ones are, but I do have this one from them that's kind of like a denim. And I like because these both have like the piping on the sides and all the way around. But as you can see, the Dior one is just a hair bigger than the Louis Vuitton one. And I would say that's probably pretty similar across the board. Let me just, yep. This one's a little closer, but Dior is still bigger. Not that that matters. I put coins in mine. That's what I use them for. I know a lot of people use them for accessories, but I put coins in. I love this. I think it's super cool. I love the D's all over it for denim or Dior. Unless if you're going to be that way. But
or just naming the type of bag. It's a denim.
Denim, right. D is for denim. So I still think it's funny that it was in that box. But she was like I said, it was when she was wrapping up the aqua one, she sent the Dior employee to go wrap that. And then she's talking to me, and as we're talking, this is just staring at me from under the counter, and I'm trying to not look at it, and it's just everything I could do to stop looking at it.
So you're saying it caught your eye.
It did. And so then we got that, and then she's having the girl go wrap that up, and then she was showing me tons of bags, and they have some really, really cute bags, but I don't want to say that I think Dior's overpriced because they're all overpriced. However, Dior does not uphold its value in any way, shape, or form, so I don't see myself ever buying a Dior bag brand new as much as I might like to, unless I won the lottery or something and then price was no object.
Don't you have to play first?
Yeah, you do, which I don't, so that's not gonna most likely.
So instead of a 1 in 100
happen.
billion chance, you have a 0 in 100 billion chance.
Well, it's about the same, so.
True.
So yeah, I just, I don't think I'd ever buy one new. But they had some really cute ones and some really reasonably priced ones for what you were getting. Almost was talked into one, but I'm like, no, I spent enough on the trip just getting there and back and stuff that I'm like, nope, I'm not going to do that. And then so when she finally knew that I was absolutely not going to do the bags, then it was, well, let's go look at the jewelry. And she still got me. But
yeah, that was a hard sell.
So yeah, we got that too. So those are the 3 items that I got, and now it's like, okay, here it is. Like, where did I put the other one? My 2 SLGs and then the ring. But I think they're awesome. Like I said, I already have one of these and I love it. This is very comparable to the Louis Vuitton. It's the weight of this is really substantial. Are these as weighty? Just gonna look. It's pretty close. I think the Dior's is a little bit more, might weigh like half an ounce more or something like that, but she sure is pretty. And this, like I said, this is why I kept peeking in the store. And now, so you know, if you ever go shopping at a Saks in New York or anywhere, be careful because their in-store employees can help you as well. So me thinking I'm so smart, just walking around beside, just kind of looking in at stuff, tapped me from behind, and I just about died. Just like, let's come into the store. You obviously are looking at something. And
busted.
I know, it was, otherwise I probably wouldn't have bought anything in Saks. I really wouldn't have.
She's on the list.
Right? Because Chanel had some really pretty colors. I was really drawn to one of their wallets on chain, and so it was like the color burgundy that's inside here, almost a little more brownish, but I love this. I absolutely adore this, and I'm thinking anytime I want to carry a wallet on chain, it's probably always going to be that one, so I don't need 2. And I know you're probably laughing, cameraman, thinking, really, when do you ever say you only need one of something?
Never.
But I don't know, there's just something about that the Chanel wallet on chain that I just love, and I just love the classic black with the silver hardware. I love it. So it's another bag that, although I might like might like a lot more of them, I think I'd always pick that one first. And now I'm just loving the tabbies, those tabby 20s. I had my black
So
one.
it's not a cat?
Right. I have my black one and my yellow one. And I love them too. And then I always use my Gucci like camera bag up there. So if I'm ever going somewhere, that's when I use the smaller bags. And it's the Chanel wallet on chain, one of the two tabbies, or my Gucci. So I really just can't justify anymore, even though I really probably can't justify a number of these things. But that's what I have.
How about you let me know which one you could justify?
Yeah, I think
And on that note,
right, I just gotta say, I'm sorry. I had such a good time. It was not about buying stuff, obviously, because I don't think any of us really went crazy while there. I just think that it was just an incredible trip. I know I've said it before, and I'll say it again. I think about it quite frequently now, especially that I don't go into work every day. I used to, but now I only have to go in one day a week. And so we kind of got cut off from friends more than we had in the past, I would say. And I just think that it's just incredible that I met these unbelievably wonderful people, all because of a YouTube channel about something that I like. And don't want to get teared up here because I'm close to doing it, but I just feel so close to these people. And you know, we talk or we text, I mean more like text, super frequently, and they get me. They understand this, and in a way that other people can't. And to be able to not only talk to somebody else about that, but feel safe to talk about that with somebody else, it's incredible. The trip was incredible. I'm so glad I went. If you have a YouTube channel or watch a channel frequently and there's a meetup or something, I would highly recommend it. I am extremely introverted, and I still had a really good time. My son came with me. He felt really good the whole time. Just an incredible group of people. So with that, I'd say thank you so much for watching this unfold. Please go down and see everybody else's videos if you haven't already watched them. If you're not already subscribed to me, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and then every other Thursday now I'm putting out a book vlog. So if you don't like books, don't watch the every other Thursday ones. If you like books, watch the Thursday ones. And if you haven't already found me, I'm over on Instagram as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. I usually put out a reel every week of the bag I'm using and the SLGs I have in it. And periodically other pictures as well. And I think I'm going to end it with that and just say, like I do, until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
At the viewing of this video, the NFL season is just 5 days away, and the Packers' first game is 6. Go Pack, go.